Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we have a very exciting, awesome unboxing video for you guys. I have never done one of these before on my channel. This is going to be an unboxing of a product that I got off of Killstar, and this specific thing that I bought, it's kind of like an inside joke between me and my sister because it's just like there's like a whole story behind it. So it was for my birthday was coming up a few years ago. I think I was turning like maybe 22, 23, something like that. And I had found this specific item online and I fell in love with it. I absolutely loved it. I wanted it. And my sister asked me, she said, hey, what would you like for your birthday? And I was kind of naming off different things. If you can hear a lawnmower, try to ignore that. They're mowing the lawn right now. Of course, as I sit down to film, like, why wouldn't they be? But she asked me, she was like, is there anything specific that you would want for your birthday? And I said, well, I found this one thing online that I really like, and I sent it to her, and she was like, oh, that's really cute. Like, I'll see what I can do, because my sister is a full-time student, so she's very busy and doesn't have a lot of money, obviously, because she's busy with school. I ended up not getting it for my birthday, obviously, and ever since then it's been like a running joke between us because she just kind of forgot about it, and I never let it go. Like, I never got this specific purse item bag out of my head. I was like, I still really want this. So every single birthday she would be like, hey, what do you want for your birthday? And I would send her like a screenshot of this bag, like, here you go. Like, so it's literally an inside joke. I just decided just to buy it myself because I don't want my sister to spend money that she doesn't have. Like, it's no problem. I have no issue getting it myself. And I'm not even kidding you guys. Like, the day I decided to buy it that week, I have seen this specific bag online and in people's videos twice this week. So it was like, I took it as a sign. I was like, okay, you know what? This is a sign that I need to just purchase this item myself. So here's what the box looks like. It is fairly large. It's not too heavy, but I am so excited to be unboxing this, and I really wanted to do this on my channel because this item is just too cool. Like, this item literally deserves its own video, and I figured unboxing it on camera would be kind of fun. So I found this item on Killstar.com, not sponsored. They didn't send this to me for free. I literally used my own money. And on Killstar, they have a lot of like really cool, like kind of like gothic skulls, really kind of just like dark items, and I really like that. That is definitely my aesthetic, and you guys know from watching my channel that I absolutely love purses. Now, this bag was, I wouldn't say it's affordable, but I wouldn't say it's ridiculously expensive. In total, with tax and shipping and everything, it was about $101, which I know for some people may seem a little like, holy shit, that's a lot of money. But compared to all the other purses that I own, this is like pretty cheap compared to it. Let's go ahead and get to unboxing this. So I have my little box cutter here, and I'm just going to very carefully, without showing my address, cut the top without cutting the actual item. Okay, so as I open up the box, right on top we just have my receipt. Here is what the inside of the box looks like. I am like shaking. I am fucking shaking. I am so excited. Here's what you guys are just like, unbox the damn thing already. Like, okay, I'm sorry, I'm just trying to like build it up. I've been waiting years for this bag, and the moment has finally come where it is now in my possession. Whoa, it's fucking huge. It's a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be. Okay, so little plastic wrap. Okay, are you guys ready for this? Let me turn it this way. Okay, ready? Da, da, da. Oh! Oh my god! Oh my god, I'm loving it! So this is the bag that I got off of Killstar. As you can see, it is a literal skeleton head bag. Oh my god. And I went with the black one. They do have black and white. I almost went with the white, but I was like, no, I know deep down I would have regretted it if I didn't get the black. So this is the bag that I got. Oh, and it's like hard. Like, I didn't think it was going to be so hard, but it literally feels like a skull. And then here's what the bottom of it looks like there. It's like huge. Like, this is it up next to my head. Like, I don't know if you guys can like tell, but it's a pretty decent sized bag. And when to open the bag, this is like the coolest part of it, because when you open the bag, it literally, you open the top of the skull. Like, That is the coolest thing ever. So inside it just has like brains and stuff, but you don't need the brains, so you just take the brains out. And on the inside it has the little handle so you can strap it. Let's see, on the inside it has just more brains and those silica gel packets. I should send those to Graveyard Girl because I know these are her favorite. And then on the side here it got the cute little tassels. Oh my god, it's beautiful! This bag is called the Grave Digger Handbag in black, and they also have it in white. And then here's what the inside of the bag looks like. As you can see, there's not like a ton of room in here, so you wouldn't be able to fit like a ton of stuff, but if you're going to like a concert or an event, or if you're someone who just doesn't carry that much with them, this is like a perfect bag. I'm honestly going to be switching my purse to this because I am so freaking excited. So then here's what it looks like all strapped together, and you're literally just carrying around like the coolest bag I've ever fucking seen. Like, this is so cool. I'm very happy with the size. I think after like seeing it in person and seeing like the actual size of it, I think it's totally worth the money. The only thing I wish is I wish that it would have came with a shorter handle. That's one thing that I do wish, because I would rather carry it as a handbag than rather as a shoulder bag, but that's just like my personal preference with purses. Okay guys, and that is actually everything that I have for this video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this fun unboxing. I know it's a little different from what I usually put out on my channel, but I just thought this was too cool not to do an unboxing on. So I really wanted to share this with you. I was really excited about it, so I hope you guys are excited with me. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell for notifications so you get notified whenever I upload. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. I love you guys. Bye!